Hi guys, Kitty here. Welcome back to my channel. And today I just want to wish y'all a happy Easter. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. So I just hope that y'all had a happy Easter. And I want to thank y'all so much for the 40 subscribers. I am so happy. So I want to thank y'all so much for that. And, but before I say anything else, need you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. So, anyways, I hope y'all had a happy Easter. And, thank y'all so much for the subscribers. Honestly, I didn't think I'd get this far in YouTube. Like, thank y'all so much for all the support. So I just hope y'all had a happy Easter, and I will try to upload a video soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.